Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudflare WARP with account step by step clearly. Navigate to the Cloudflare WARP website. Once on the site, look for the option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the requested information, including your email and a secure password. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Cloudflare WARP website and sign in with your newly created account. Once logged in, look for the subscription options for WARP. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Review the terms of the subscription before proceeding. Enter your payment information in the designated fields. Check all details for accuracy before finalizing your subscription. Confirm your subscription by clicking the Complete Purchase button. You should now receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. Return to your Cloudflare WARP dashboard to access your services. Download and install the Cloudflare WARP app if you haven't already. Log into the app using the same account credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.